Welcome back, children. In the last part, what we have studied? Practice set 5.3 of exercise of chapter 5. Now we will study expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. Earlier we have studied the expansion of a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and now today here we will study a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square means writing 2 times the bracket. We will write it 2 times. After that, the first term a is multiplied with the second bracket, then b is multiplied with the second bracket, then c is multiplied with the second bracket. In this way we will write the steps. After that, a is multiplied with each term. A into a is a square, plus a into b is ab, plus a into c is ac, plus b into a is ab, plus b into b is b square, plus b into c is bc, plus c into a is ac, plus c into b is bc, plus c into c is c square. Here some terms are common, so we will add them. First we will write a square plus b square plus c square as it is. And now AB and AB 2 times it is written. So AB plus AB is 2AB. AC plus AC is 2AC. BC and plus BC is 2BC. So what is your answer? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. In this way, what you get? A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, what is the expansion? A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice AC. Now based on this formula, let us see some examples. Expand P plus Q plus 3 whole square. Here also we will use the same formula. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Substituting the value for A, B and C, what we have? P plus Q plus 3 whole square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 3 square plus 2 into P into Q plus 2 into Q into 3 plus 2 into P into 3. Now let us write the answer. P square plus Q square plus 3 square means 9. 2PQ plus 6Q, 2 3s are 6 and Q, and again 2 3s are 6 and P. In this way, the last answer is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ plus 6Q plus 6P plus this 9 we will write it in the last. So first question is over. Now example 2, fill in the boxes with appropriate terms in the steps of expansion. Which expansion? 2p plus 3m plus 4n whole square. So let us use the same formula here. 2p square plus 3m square plus 4n square. First term square, second term square and third term square. Then 2 is multiplied with first and second, that is 2 is multiplied with 2p into 3m plus 2 is multiplied with the second and third term, that is 2 into 3m into 4n plus 2 into first and last term, 2 into p into 4n. In this way, write down the answers. 2p square means 4p square plus 3m square means 9m square plus 4n square means 16n square. Now plus 4 3s are 12 pm plus 2 3s are 6, 6 into 4 is 24 mn plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16 pn. In this way, the next example now, simplify L plus 2m plus n whole square plus L minus 2m plus n whole square. So let us solve this sum using the same formula, A plus B plus C whole square. So first of all, here one by one we will expand this. First bracket we have expand. Now we will expand the second. So what will be the answer? First term square plus second term square plus third term square. L square plus 2m square plus n square plus 2 into L into 2m, that is first into second term multiplication, plus 2 into second into third term multiplication, 2 into 2m plus into n plus then first and last term multiplication, 2 into L into n. This is the expansion of first bracket. Now let us come towards the second bracket. So first term square L square plus second term square minus 2m square plus third term square, that is n square, minus 2 into L into 2m. Here minus means because first and second term multiplication we will do. First and second term is negative though, so that's why the answer is negative. Minus 2 into L into 2m minus then second term into third term multiplication, that's why minus. So 2 into 2m into n, then plus first into last term multiplication, so 2 into L into n. Then next, now opening the bracket and writing the answers. So L square plus 2m square means 4m square plus n square plus 2 into 2 is 4 into lm plus again 2 into 2 is 4mn plus 2 into ln plus, now second bracket, L square plus minus 2m whole square means 4m square, then n square is as it is, then minus 2 into 2 is 4lm minus 2 into 2 is 4mn plus 2ln. So the last answer will be, some terms will get cancelled, L square get added, so 2L square plus 4m square and plus 4m square, that is 8m square, plus n square and n square get added, so 2n square, plus here 4ln and minus 4lm get cancelled, 4mn and minus 4mn get cancelled. So what is left now? 2ln and 2ln. So it is 4ln. In this way we have completed example number 3, and in the next sum, in the next period, we will study practice set 5.4. So children, till then you will complete these examples in your classwork copy. Thank you.